So Toyota Corolla began to have sluggish movement, poor acceleration, rough idling, or knocking sound. If you begin to see the symptoms, that is to tell you that you need to have a simple fix. You will not spend plenty money. Don't rush to mechanic when you start to see signs that you are having increase in fuel consumption, sluggish movement, poor acceleration. Rather, you need just a simple fix, which is fuel injector cleaner. But there are fuel injector cleaner that is meant for Toyota Corolla, which means you need the right fuel injector cleaner that you need for your Toyota Corolla. I'll mention four of it. These four are very compatible with Toyota Corolla and you can choose any of them. One, Techno, Techron, not Techno, Techron. Two, Lucas. Three, C4. And four, gum out. These are four good fuel injector cleaner that is very compatible with Toyota Corolla. You can use it for any Toyota model. But which Toyota model does this fuel injector cleaner suit for? Well, you can use it for at least between 2000 model to 2005 model. It is very compatible for it. How to use it? Let me quickly tell you how to use it. For you to use it, you should have at least about empty tank. Your fuel level should be almost empty, but you know you cannot run on empty tank, at least almost empty. Then you pour the fuel injector cleaner into the tank. Then you fill back your tank. Then you keep driving forward, just normal driving. That is how to make use of it. But when should you repeat this again? You can do this after every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. You can keep using it. But the next question you can ask is that, does it work? Yes is the answer. But fuel injector cleaner is not magic. Get that point right. It's not magic. Rather, it is used for preventive and to solve a small issue on your fuel injector or fuel system. So when you begin to see symptoms, immediately you apply fuel injector cleaner in your Toyota Corolla. But if your fuel injector has become total clutch, then you need to visit professional to work on your injectors for you. What are frequently asked questions that you can ask that you may like to ask? Number one, can I use it on a hybrid Corolla? The answer is yes. I mean, yes, you can use it for hybrid Corolla. What is number two? What model year does it work for? Between 2000 to 2005 this year, any Corolla produced during that time or Toyota, you can use it for it. And question three is, how often should I use it? Every 30,000 to 5,000 miles, you can use it. Or if you want to go for a very long trip, you can also make use of it. And that will help. It's a part of preventive maintenance. What are the before and after when you use fuel injector cleaner on a Toyota Corolla? One, you are going to enjoy smooth idle. I mean smooth idle. That's number one. And what is number two? Better fuel economy. You are going to enjoy better fuel economy. And number three, you're going to see improved throttle response. When you manage the throttle, you're going to see quick response from your throttle. And number four, less carbon buildup in your engine. So these are things that you are getting when you use this recommended fuel injector cleaner on your Toyota Corolla. Do you enjoy this video? If you enjoy the video, please give me thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you in another video. There's another video that pop up immediately after this one, still about fuel injector cleaner. Do you have any question? Go to the comment section and ask. You are going to get quick response from me. Thanks. See you another time.